Get Upside Down Pilates uninterrupted with no commercials or ads. You can watch all the full 1-hour episodes of Upside Down Pilates on all your devices. Visit www.upsidedownpilates.com to sign up now. Moving on to all fours, we're going to do some doggy basque. All right, so let's go on to all fours. Now, if your wrists are getting tired and this is getting too hard on your wrists, you can just drop right down onto your elbows. That's totally fine, works the same. I'm gonna go up onto my wrists here for now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna reach one leg out in one long line, and we'll inhale, bend it in and flex it. Exhale, press it out and point it, keeping our abs in the whole time. That was 1. Inhale, exhale. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3. Flex and point. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Try not to shift to the opposite hip. 6. And we're in parallel right now. 7. Inhale, exhale. 8. Inhale, exhale. 9. Last one. Inhale, press it out. 10. Fantastic. Let's change to the other leg. So reach that leg out and bend it in as we inhale. Inhale, bend and push. 1. Inhale, exhale. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3. Hollow the abs. Inhale, get that leg all the way straight. 5. Inhale. 6. Inhale. 7. Inhale, exhale. 8. Keep the upper middle back wide. 9. Inhale, exhale. 10. Very good. Let's shift back to a little child's pose for a moment. Good. Come back up onto all fours. Remember, you can drop right down onto your elbows if your wrists are hurting you. We're going to do it in turned out. So now you're going to reach the leg out, turn it out, and you're going to bend the knee in turned out. Press it out. 1. Inhale. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3. Just a little bit different angle of your glutes. 4. Bend the knee. Now straighten it. 5. Upper middle back is wide. 6. Inhale, exhale. 7. Inhale, exhale. 8. Inhale, exhale. 9. Last one. Inhale, exhale. 10. Very good. We're going to shift a rooney to the other side. Reach the leg out. Turn it out. Upper middle back is wide. Bend it in, turned out. 1. Inhale, exhale. 2. 3. Try and keep your spine in neutral pelvis the whole time. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Inhale, exhale. 6. And 7. Inhale, exhale. 8. Inhale, exhale. 9. One more, please. Bend it in. Press it out. Woo! All right, shift back for a moment. Okay, let's walk back on our mat a little bit, and now we're going to alternate our hands. So you're going to reach your arm out and lift it up. Keep the stabilization in the opposite shoulder. Bring it down and in, out, up, down. So we're really training our obliques and our serratus anterior. Down and in, out, up, and down. We're going to do 5 sets. Out, up, down, and in, out, up, down, and in. Again, out, up, down, and in. Reach it out, lift it up, down. Last round, out, and lift, and down, and in, and out, and lift, and down, and in. Good. Rest a moment. All right, come back up. Now we're going to lift the arms outside. Stabilize the shoulders. Here we go. Stabilize with one hand, reach the other arm side, and then just bring it back in. And then opposite hand, side, and in. 5 rounds. This is 2. Reach the arm side bring it in. Other arm, side, bring it in. Here we go, third round, 3, and in, and 3, and in, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, one more set, 5, and in, and 5, and in, and rest. All right, we're going to move on to some short lever planks. So we're going to start, and you're going to bring your upper body slightly forward on a little diagonal. So your head, shoulders, hips, and knees are relatively in one long line. And we're going to start with some scapula isolations. Pinch the shoulder blades together and push them apart. Just 5 times. Together and push them apart. 3, push them apart. 4, push them apart. 5. Now, shift back a little bit onto all fours, and let's try one shoulder at a time. Pinch the one shoulder blade back and push it apart. Again. 3, 4, one more, 5. All right, change. One hand down, bring the other arm up, and pinch the other shoulder and apart. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. All right. Reach those arms out again. Shift back. And now we're going to push forward. And then come back on a little diagonal. So shift to short lever plank. Exhale. 2. And then shift it back. Exhale. 3. Shift it back. Exhale. 4. Shift it back. And now stay here. Bend the elbows. 10 Pilates style push-ups. Down, 2, 3. And a 1. Down, 2, 3. Press it up. 2. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Exhale. 3. Down, 2, 3. And a 4. Down, 2, 3. And a 5. Down, 2, 3. 6. Inhale, inhale, inhale. 7. Down, 2, 3. 8. 2 more. Down, 2, 3. And a 9. Last one. Down, 2, 3. Oh yes, 10. Very good. Shift back. Let those shoulder blades glide up high so you get a nice big stretch. And then drop those shoulder blades down low. Upside Down Pilates Unlimited. Get Upside Down Pilates uninterrupted with no commercials or ads. For a limited time, we are offering a special early bird discount at less than 17 cents a day. And you can lock in your rate forever. We'll keep adding new lessons. At Upside Down Pilates Unlimited, you can watch all the full 1-hour episodes of Upside Down Pilates on all your devices. Roku, Apple TV, Android, select smart TVs, iOS, Amazon Fire Stick, the web, and more. Anywhere the Vimeo app is supported. The next best thing to taking lessons with me. Plus, this is a great way to help support the channel and help keep us making great content. Upside Down Pilates Unlimited, everywhere, anytime, commercial-free, affordable. Visit www.upsidedownpilates.com to sign up now.